Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I let you know that Microsoft had officially started testing Windows 11's new cloud rebuild recovery option. And just a quick recap for the purpose of this video. What happens is that instead of attempting to repair an existing installation, Cloud Rebuild reformats the system drive and reinstalls Windows 11 using files downloaded from Windows Update. And when the process finishes, the computer boots into the out-of-box experience, OOBE, which will allow you to set it up like a new device. Now, just a quick reminder and something to take note of. Before using Cloud Rebuild, it's important to understand that this isn't a repair tool. What it does is it completely replaces the existing installation by reformatting the system drive. So as a result, locally installed apps, accounts, settings, and files stored on that drive are removed during the process. That's important to note. And also, files already synchronized with cloud services such as OneDrive aren't affected and can be restored after you sign back in. So that's also important to take note of. So I thought in this video, just to have a quick walkthrough as to more or less how this will all work before it makes its way down to the stable version, in case you would be interested. Now, it's important to note that in the current preview, Cloud Rebuild is available through the Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE as mentioned. So how you would start Cloud Rebuild in Windows 11 is you would head over to your settings, navigate over to System Recovery, and here you'll see Advanced Startup. You'd click on Restart Now. And then you would allow, after clicking on the Restart Now, you would allow the computer to restart into WinRE. And on the recovery screen, you would choose Troubleshoot and then select Cloud Rebuild. And then here's something that's important, and I have seen a couple of comments on the channel. Users are asking, how would you connect this to the internet? Well, in this process, there will be an option in WinRE for you to connect to your internet. And then after connecting to the internet, the feature verifies the appropriate edition, language, and build for the device before asking you to confirm that the system drive will be erased. And that's all here to the top left. And then once you confirm the operation by clicking Install, the rebuild begins automatically, which will basically take you into the OOBE where you can go through all the steps to reinstall Windows 11 from scratch. And then during the installation, Windows 11 may restart several times, and Microsoft recommends leaving the device connected to power and avoiding manual restarts or shutdowns until the process finishes, since interrupting the installation could leave the operating system unable to boot. So that's also important. Now, in regards to Cloud Rebuild, a couple of days ago, I ran a poll asking, so what are your thoughts regarding Windows 11's new Cloud Rebuild? And 48% of you said you would still prefer a local clean ISO install from a flash drive instead of using the new feature, which I thought was interesting. So at this stage, out of the 823 votes cast, 48% of you say you still prefer using a so-called local clean ISO install from a flash drive. So hasn't caught on quite yet, but it'll be interesting to see where this feature and how this feature pans out in the future. So that's basically how you start Cloud Rebuild and how it works on Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.